This is a 1985 IT200 made by Yamaha. You get some good pictures of it. When I bought this bike, it was sitting in a barn for about 10-15 years. And I did a total restore on it, as you see. Only thing I haven't done yet is put my tank stickers on, but it has new rear fenders, seat cover, side panels, front fender. I looked and looked and looked, and I found the handguards, original handguards. Bike is in real good shape now. I would crank it, but it's kind of like 11 o'clock at night, and neighbors probably get mad. But just tune in, and I have more videos of it running and all the lights working. It has the OEM tail light assembly. It has a reproduction tool bag. New fork boots. The wheels have been polished and cleaned. The odometer works, that's on it. The speedometer, or whatever you want to call it. Let's get a light of it here. Sorry about the cell phone pictures. It actually works. Has new speedometer cable. Redid the top end. Fresh bore. I might go ahead and crank it up for you viewers. Just hold on a second. Okay, I'm going to crank my IT200. I'm back with you guys tonight. I decided to say forget the neighbors, and I'm going to crank it up, but you guys hear it. Like I say, freshly built motor, all new plastics. Here we go. And there you have it. IT200, 85 model, freshly restored. Got a few more little odds and ends to put on it, like the tank stickers and something else I was going to, oh, the chain guard. I'm thinking about going with the original pipe. It'd be a little quieter. But anyway, check back a little later, and I have more videos and pictures of it. And I'm also restoring a 77 RM125C model. You'll see it pretty soon on my page. Alright, thanks. the bone. 85 IT 200, totally